Mga kapatid, let's all welcome TV5's President and CEO, the one and only GRZ, Mr. Guido R. Zapaliero.
Thank you, Andre. Thank
Bati!
you, Dimple.
Ninong!
Ako,
Ikaw
ninong
naman.
ano ba yan? Thank you. So, magandang araw mga kapatid. And thank you for being with us today. We are excited to share what's next for TV5 and the stories we'll be bringing to more and more Filipinos in the months ahead. In the first half of the year, and I'll just take you back a little bit, we launched exciting new shows. A Secret in Prague and My Best Friend Eman. Each connecting with the audiences in different ways, from a mystery, comedy, and romance to a heartfelt way of storytelling. We're especially proud to see A Secret in Prague to have ranked among the top 10 titles on Netflix for several weeks. We also launched a revamped face-to-face with Ate Coring, basically refreshing the program with a lighter, more lifestyle thrust for a new generation of viewers. This year also reaffirmed the power of collaboration with a renewed partnership with ABS-CBN, thus allowing more and more Filipinos to discover TV5 content, while opening new opportunities for audiences to enjoy and even more great Filipino stories para sa mga kapatid at kapamilya. So in the evening, from Sigabo to Someone Someday, where Dimples is a part of, to A Secret in Prague across both platforms. Our partnership is built on a simple shared belief that when great stories reach more people, everyone benefits. Our audiences, our creators, our advertisers, and our partners, and ultimately, the whole industry. As we continue to grow, our mission remains the same: to bring great Filipino stories to more Filipinos across television, digital, and wherever our audience is. They may choose to watch it wherever they are. We're committed to telling stories that inspire, entertain, inform, and connect with them. So today, you'll see how we're building on that momentum, from strengthening our programming and expanding our digital presence to introducing exciting new properties, such as what you've seen here, Starworks, that's Block 1, and a refreshed Vibe Plus, where this is the studio where we conduct Vibe Plus live every weekend. Together, these reflect how TV5 continues to evolve, not just by creating more content, but by giving more Filipino stories and the talented people behind them a bigger stage to reach more audiences. So to you, our friends in the press, media, agencies, and brand partners, thank you for your continued trust. We truly value our partnership, and we're excited about what we can achieve together in the months ahead. We're excited to give you a first look at our new programs, new partnerships, and new stories to look forward to in the second half of 2026. So mga kapatid, let's take a look at what's ahead at tara na sa TV5. Thank you.
This year didn't just begin, it exploded! We opened with stories that sparked conversations. Mga kwentong nagbigay ng hamon at inspirasyon.
Hindi tayo pwedeng sumuko.
Matapang!
Anong Diyos?
Walang Diyos! Mapangahas!
Magbabayad lahat ng nag-traitor sa akin!
And TV5 proved one thing. We're here to tell stories that connect with every Filipino.
That's how you do it!
At ang pinakamalakas at pinakamalawak na Sunny Puwersa ay hindi nagpapigil because the best and biggest stories are never told alone.
Kinikilig ako.
Mula Lunes hanggang Linggo, umaga hanggang gabi, magkakasama tayo. Pumalakpak sa umagang jam-pack with usapang uso at puso.
Kaya kayo naman ang next dapat na makatungtong dito sa aming studio.
Mas chuba-chuchu! Chuba-chuchu ang morning! Dahil ang tambalang inabangan natin noon, mas mamahalin pa natin ngayon! Sabay-sabay tayong mananghalian ng tawa at sorpresa!
47 years, the age is right para magsaya.
Tikman ang afternoon na punong-puno ng pag-asa!
Dahil walang labang inuurungan ng isang ina na nagluluksa.
Humanda sa mga konfrontasyong hindi papaawat!
Bastusin mo na ako pero wag si Myla.
Tutok na tutok din ang lahat sa prime time! Kasabay mo sa aksyon!
Dadaanak ang dugo din sa tundo.
Kasama mo sa paglaban!
Hindi ka ba makasaya?
Karamay mo hanggang sa huli, anuman ang mangyari.
Hindi ka nag-iisa. Makakaasa ka.
And every weekend, we deserve more! More celebrations! Tuloy tayo sa pagbibigay ng limpak-limpak na ligaya. More prizes!
Ang laman, 1 million pesos!
And more surprises!
Panalong-panalo talaga tayo sa buhay.
Oh my God! Nagkakatutukan dito!
Lagi rin kaming nakabantay mula umaga hanggang gabi para maihatid ang mga balitang kapaki-pakinabang mula sa frontline. Papunta pa lang tayo sa exciting part, mga kapatid. Bigger stories, brighter stars, more content, more connections, reaching more Filipinos across more platforms in more ways than ever before.
Tara sa TV5!
Tara sa TV5.
What's next starts now. Tara sa TV5!
Hold them, entertain them. Gawin mo kung anong dapat mong gawin. We can't lose another investor. I'll be there in 5 minutes.
Head up!
What?
Security check, sir.
Hindi mo ako kilala, no?
ID na lang, sir.
Late na ako sa meeting ko. Kasalanan mo to.
Style mo, bulok, ah.
Hindi mo ako kilala.
Sir!
Ako ang principal ng school na to.
So, patingin ang ID mo.
Yan. So,
Sorry, sir.
Mommy?
May gusto kita, hindi mo ba